YouTube? Eric here from FCP Euro, and welcome to another really quick product review. Today we have a engine water pump kit for a 996 911, 1999 to 2005 model years. We've included a water pump that has a metal impeller. The factory water pump came with a plastic composite impeller. Over time that plastic degrades, it will break off, and it could find itself circulating through the engine coolant. So in the kit, we included the gasket and the hardware. Anytime you have the water pump removed, you want to replace those components. We've also included a gallon of genuine coolant, and that'll be mixed 50-50 with distilled water. There is no exact mileage when your water pump will fail. Typically, you want to replace it every 3 years as preventive maintenance, and you can expect the job to take approximately 2 hours. When replacing your water pump, there's no special tools required, but you may find it helpful if you had a set of hose picks to remove the coolant hoses. And while you're replacing the water pump, now is also a good time to replace the thermostat, since you'll have the cooling system open and you're only going to want to bleed it once. This kit also applies to the 986 Boxster, 1997 to 2004 model years. Thanks for watching another really quick product review. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.